Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I don't know, things have gone a bit blurry for me. I might have to put my glasses on. I think it's because I've been wearing them so much. I'm just seeing what lighting is better. I'm going to stick with that one because I want the yarn to be seen in its glory. I've got some yarn for you. I do. And, well, I'm going to start with one that is completely different from all the rest, and that is this one. Oh, look at that. It is a really dark blue and whites with all different colour blues. Now, it's called Fair Isle because it doesn't show you a swatch. Well, it does. There it is. When it works up, it has this imitation kind of Fair Isle pattern. That's how it's meant to work. So obviously, when they do that and they show you this swatch, they show you on a knitted gauge, but who knows how big. There you go, I can see again. So this is called Stylecraft Easy Fair Isle Effect. What's that say? Watch the pattern appear as you knit or crochet. So it's an Aran weight, so it's a 4-weight Aran, 100% premium acrylic, 240 meters, 262 yards, 100-gram ball. They're recommending a 5mm crochet hook with it, and this is one color. They do several, but I just wanted to try it out. It is 5333 Barra, Barra. Now obviously I think they're all named after islands and places in Scotland, so never heard of that one, but here it is. It's beautiful. And it has a feel, it feels kind of like wool. I know that sounds crazy, but it does. I know it's 100% acrylic, or premium acrylic even, but it has this wool feel. Maybe once it's washed it would lose that anyway, but it does. It just feels, it's not scratchy though, don't get me wrong, it is premium acrylic. But I'm going to swatch this up and show you what that comes out like. The rest of the yarn is all the same variety, and some of these, they go so well together. They're like a marriage made in heaven. So I'll show you the other colours first before I get to the main kind of batch of colours. Now the only colours that I've left out of my complete and utter kind of haul are light blue, light pink, mint green. Those were the only colours that I left out because I did put white in here because so many people want it to go with things as well as black, but I didn't go for those baby colours because I have James T. Brett Flutterby in baby colours, and also I figured that if I wanted to get them, I'd get them a bit later on and just add them to this variety, but I wanted adult colours. You know, I found that this yarn has so many really gorgeous adult patterns. I wanted to get adult colours rather than baby colours. And I know that you can put them with it, and, you know, I will get them, I suppose, eventually. But let's start with this one. This is emerald green. And, oh, look at that. It's just so beautiful. I love chenille yarn. I know that there are people out there who are not keen on fluffy yarn, but it just feels so incredibly soft. So this is called Stylecraft Squeeze Me. There we are, Stylecraft Squeeze Me. Need the specs back again, I think. And it is double knit. So that is unusual, because usually when you get a chenille, it will be kind of like a chunky yarn, but it's not even Aran. I don't believe it's going to be that thin. There you are. To me, looking at that, I would say that would probably make up like an Aran weight. I can't imagine it being like a double knitting, but that's what they say it is, double knit. 100% polyester. Where are we? They're saying a 4mm crochet hook as well. 200 meters, 218 yards. And this one is emerald green. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, as well as the emerald, I got this green. I wanted They did have a mint, but I wanted this, and I think it's an apple. Let's put that one down a moment. It's called apple green. There we go. And I'd say that is definitely an appley colour. So I thought, you know, I'd get these two and show you. Those are my greens for now. I may get, as I say, get the minty green a little bit later on. So then that brings me to the pink. I got fuchsia pink. I didn't want to get baby pink, and it is actually called candy pink. There is another pink one. Yeah, so this one's the candy pink, and this one is the fuchsia pink. They go so well together if you were making something that you wanted a contrasting colour. They are gorgeous. So candy pink, fuchsia pink, beautiful. They do a baby pink, so obviously later on I will get that. It is going to be on the cards. So with the pink, I did go for this one as well. It's getting a bit undressed. Let me just dress it back up again. I did go for this one, which is red. It is a nice bright red. It's kind of, well, I think it's really flaring up on the light. It's not as fire engine red as you're seeing, but it is a really good colour red. With Christmas coming, I thought, you know, oh, it's so soft. It is ridiculously soft. Now, what is this one's name? Scarlet Red. Scarlet Red. So that's that one. Wait for this. Look at that. Oh my god, I love this colour. I absolutely love this colour, and it is just so beautiful. This one, the name of this is Deep Purple. It is blooming marvellous. Really, look at that. That is just astonishing. I love that. It was this one alone that kind of sold me on this yarn. I cannot tell you how soft this is. So to go alongside this one, I have lilac. They're so silky soft. The yarn balls the yarn sleeves keep wanting to come off, keep wanting to undress themselves. Yarn boobies. There we go. Yeah, aren't they gorgeous? So we've got lilac. Here we are, lilac and deep purple. Beautiful. So I'm just putting them in the bags, and I have black and white. Oh, look at that black. It looks just so velvety, like, isn't it beautiful? I just thought that with all these bright, vibrant colours, the black would just make them pop so much, wouldn't it? I mean, I know that there's white for you know, for people who want to work with white, but this black, it's just going, excuse me, I hiccuped at the same time. Just look, when you put a colour next to black, it's so good. Any one of those colours, in fact, if you put it with the black, oh, it just goes bang, doesn't it? It goes bang, guys, bang. Whatever colour you put with that, it's just going to be astonishing. So that's the black and the white. I did kind of give you a little tantalizing look at the cobalt blue. It's amazing how these colours have actually stuck in my mind. I only saw them once as I was checking the list to make sure that they were all there, and I've remembered them. Oh, that is just so gorgeous. That's the cobalt. I will get the lighter blue later. I know I've said that already. But this brings me to this collection of colours that all go hand in hand so well. Shall I start with the lightest one and work my way up? Maybe. This one is called Cream, and it is creamy. It really is. It's beautiful. So then the next one up from Cream is this one, and it is called Champagne. So we've got Cream and Champagne, and then the next one up from Champagne is this one, which is sort of almond. Well, they kind of go, look at those three together. So we've got almond, and we've got Champagne and Cream, then orange. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Just amazing. They all go so well together. These warm colours, they complement each other so well. So we've got orange, and we have this one, and that's called golden yellow. Wow, golden yellow. And as well as the golden yellow, we have this one, which is stem ginger. It's beautiful. That's what it is. Just beautiful. And then this chocolatey one. And this one is called chestnut brown. But can you imagine if you wanted to put those with any of them? They just all go together so well. Oh, I'm going to have trouble lifting these. They're just beautiful. The whole lot of them. I absolutely love this range. I'm going to swatch it and yeah, show you how they work up. I'm intrigued that they have put it down as a DK, and I know it is actually really thin, so maybe it will work up like a DK weight. That's unusual. That's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. I love this colour. This one's beautiful. I need another word other than beautiful. Gorgeous, stunning, and I have a free piece of plastic in that one. It's where I popped the plastic to get them out. But that squeezed me. I absolutely loved it. The minute I saw it, I had to get it and see what it was like. But that's not all I've got. So where's my other bag? Here it is. Let's put the squeeze me away. Took the glasses off for a minute. I'll put all these ones. These colours just go so well together. They're kind of like such warm, lovely, sumptuous colours. Right, so that one's over there. I got some patterns as well. Here's my little check sheet, which I did make sure that they were all there. And I ordered something that every single time I put on my order and I never get it, it's always out of stock, and it was still out of stock. Bit annoying, but there is, look at that. Now this was a pattern that was in the book that I was looking at earlier, the Open With Me I've just done. They showed this pattern, and that's made with the Squeeze Me. And what's this one? This is, some of these are free patterns and some of them are not. This one I believe is a free pattern. It's in the box, but I don't think I actually ordered it, but they sent it anyway. I'm not sure, I'll check it. Then remember last time I did one of these videos, I did the Bambino prints, and I also swatched it up to show you what it looked like. Well, I got a pattern for Bambino prints. Isn't that adorable? Nice little crochet pattern. We don't get crochet patterns too often, do we? But I don't know if they're all in there. And then this one is for the colour vibe. Now I do stock that colour vibe, and I really liked that cardie, but there are others there, and the pocket has this chevron pattern. What else did I get? Let's see, what's this one? This is the Fair Isle, and this is free, so you can get this pattern free with purchases, and it was for mittens and hat. But I thought I wanted to see what it worked up like as well, if anything. So that's a free pattern, and I've got more of those. I always get quite a bit of the freebie patterns when I can, because you know I like to give them away. So that's what I got. Yeah, I'm absolutely enraptured by that yarn. I really want to make something with it. My fingers are itching to get stuck in, but I'm going to, as I say, swatch it. So obviously when it comes to those balls, I'm going to give it my best to make something fantastic with it. But there were a lot of crochet patterns for that, but they were all granny square, you know, like you see the granny square kind of festival wear, but it was kind of with the chenille instead. So but I figured, you know, they're granny squares. They're not that hard, are they? So I didn't get it. But you never know, maybe in the future I might get some more patterns. But that is what I got. I absolutely love it. What do you like chenille yourself? If you do, let me know in the comments. What would you make with that fantastic yarn? Do you like the Fair Isle? Yeah, also if there are any other patterns that I don't stock that you'd like me to get next time, perhaps just let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.